Hello chaps? Craving that crispy, crunchy chicken? No need to head out. You can make it right at home. We're about to whip up chicken so crispy it crunches, and so juicy it's irresistible. Picture golden brown chicken steaming and fragrant straight from your own kitchen. This isn't just dinner. It's a masterpiece in the making. Grab your apron and get ready for some kitchen magic. By the end, you'll have chicken that would make the Colonel proud. It's all about the right spices, the perfect coating, and frying just right. Ready? Let's get cracking on the crispiest chicken adventure ever. Every chef needs their tools and ingredients. Before you even think about turning on the stove, it's time to gather everything you'll need for a smooth, stress-free cooking adventure. Think of this as your culinary treasure hunt. Having all your gizmos and grub ready will make the process so much easier and way more fun. Start with a whole chicken, cut into pieces. Thighs, drumsticks, and wings are best. If you prefer, you can buy pre-cut chicken, but breaking down a whole bird gives you the juiciest results and lets you control the size of each piece. Don't forget to pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This helps the coating stick better later on. You'll need buttermilk, an egg, and a big bag of plain flour for the coating. The buttermilk and egg make the chicken extra tender and help the flour stick, creating that classic crispy crust. If you want a little extra tang, you can add a splash of hot sauce to the buttermilk. For flavor, gather salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, thyme, and maybe a pinch of ginger or white pepper. These spices are the secret to that irresistible, mouth-watering aroma and taste. Feel free to adjust the amounts or add your own favorite seasonings. This is your fried chicken after all. Grab 2 large bowls, one for your flour mixture and one for your buttermilk bath. A wire rack is perfect for letting the coated chicken rest before frying. You'll also need a deep pot or Dutch oven for frying, sturdy tongs for flipping, and a kitchen thermometer to keep your oil at the perfect temperature. For frying, use vegetable, canola, or peanut oil. Enough to fill your pot halfway. The right oil ensures a golden, crispy finish without overpowering the chicken's flavor. Always heat your oil slowly and check the temperature before adding the chicken. Having everything ready before you start is key to smooth cooking. Set up your workstation so you can move from step to step without searching for tools or ingredients. Lay out your ingredients and tools so you're not scrambling mid-recipe. This mise-en-place approach is what separates home cooks from kitchen pros. It keeps you organized and helps prevent mistakes. Organization is your secret weapon for stress-free frying. With everything in its place, you'll be able to focus on the fun part, cooking up some seriously delicious fried chicken. All set? Let's move on. With your gizmos and grub gathered, you're ready to start cooking like a pro. Time to marinate. In a large bowl, pour in buttermilk and crack in your egg. Whisk until smooth. Add salt and black pepper for that first layer of flavor. Submerge your chicken pieces in the marinade, making sure they're fully coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. This step makes your chicken tender and juicy. The longer it soaks, the more flavorful it gets. Don't rush. Patience here pays off in every bite. Once marinated, you're ready for the next step. Let the chicken rest and soak up all that goodness. Now, let's get that coating ready. Time for the crunchy coat. This is where the magic really begins, and where your fried chicken gets its signature crispy, flavorful shell. The right blend of flour and spices is what sets great fried chicken apart from the rest, so don't be shy with your seasonings. In your second bowl, add a generous amount of flour as the base, then layer in all your spices, salt for balance, pepper for a gentle heat, paprika for color and a subtle smokiness, garlic and onion powder for depth, and a sprinkle of oregano and thyme for a fragrant, herby finish. Mix thoroughly so the spices are evenly distributed. Take your time here. Use a whisk or your hands to make sure every bit of flour is flecked with those beautiful spices. This ensures every bite of chicken is packed with flavor, not just the first one. For extra crunch, drizzle a bit of the buttermilk marinade into the flour and mix until you get little clumps. These tiny clumps will fry up into crispy, craggy bits that make each piece irresistible. Don't worry if it looks a little messy, that's exactly what you want. Take each marinated chicken piece, let the excess marinade drip off, then dredge it in the flour mixture. Make sure every nook and cranny is covered, pressing the flour in gently so it sticks well. Press the coating on firmly for maximum crunch. This step is key. Don't just dust the chicken, really pack that coating on so it forms a thick, even layer. The more you press, the crunchier your chicken will be. Place coated pieces on a wire rack and let them rest for 10-15 minutes. This short rest allows the coating to adhere and set, which means less chance of it falling off in the fryer. This helps the coating stick during frying. Repeat the process for all your chicken pieces, working methodically so each one is perfectly coated and ready for the hot oil. The secret to great texture is in the details. Don't skip the rest. It's these little steps that make homemade fried chicken truly special, giving you that shatteringly crisp crust every time. Ready to fry? Let's go. With your chicken perfectly coated and rested, you're just moments away from golden, crunchy perfection. Begin by heating your oil in a deep pot to 175 degrees, which is about 350 degrees AWM. It's crucial to use a thermometer to ensure the oil reaches the right temperature. This will help achieve that perfect golden crust. Carefully lower a few chicken pieces into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pot. Overcrowding can cause the oil temperature to drop, resulting in greasy chicken instead of crispy perfection. Fry 3-4 pieces at a time to keep the oil temperature steady. Maintaining a consistent temperature is key to ensuring each piece cooks evenly and thoroughly. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes per side, turning halfway until golden brown and cooked through. Use a timer to keep track of the cooking time, ensuring each side gets equal attention. Thighs and drumsticks may take a bit longer than breasts. Be patient and check for doneness by cutting into the thickest part to ensure the juices run clear. Use tongs to remove the chicken and let excess oil drip off. This step is important to prevent the chicken from becoming too oily. Place the fried chicken on a wire rack to keep the crust crispy. The wire rack allows air to circulate around the chicken, preventing it from becoming soggy. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt while hot for extra flavor. The salt will adhere better to the hot surface, enhancing the taste. Keep frying in batches until all your chicken is done. This method ensures each piece gets the attention it needs to cook perfectly. The kitchen will smell amazing. Resist the urge to sneak a bite. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. Let's make it even better with a few pro tips. Stay tuned for some expert advice to elevate your fried chicken game to the next level. Want an even crunchier crust on your fried chicken? Try the double dredge method. Dip your coated chicken back in buttermilk, then flour again for extra crunch and texture. Use a meat thermometer to check doneness. Chicken is perfectly cooked at 74 degrees, 165 degrees. No thermometer handy? Pierce the thickest part. The juices should run clear, not pink, to ensure it's safe and ready. Always rest your fried chicken on a wire rack, never paper towels to keep it crispy and prevent sogginess. Don't overcook. Juicy, tender chicken is always the goal for the best bite. Patience at every step makes all the difference, so take your time and enjoy the process. These little tricks and tips turn good chicken into truly great, unforgettable chicken. Now, gather your friends and family and let's enjoy the delicious fruits of your labor. You did it! A pile of golden, crispy chicken is ready to share. Gather your family and friends. This meal is meant for sharing and celebration. The first bite, that crunch, that juiciness, pure happiness. Serving homemade fried chicken is a way to show you care. Food brings people together and creates lasting memories. Pile the chicken high, add your favorite sides, and dig in. Be proud of your creation and enjoy every moment. Good food, good company. What could be better? Bon appetit.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.